Hi, and welcome to Life is Good Today. I've been watching the TV and it's amazing. This world just seems to be full of a lot of problems. And you know what the problem with problems is? When we get focused on the problem, typically what you do is get into reaction, blame, excuses, all that stuff. And so in life, we have the ability to look for solutions, to make choices in life. And if you think about it, when you don't make choices for yourself, when you don't step up and have a voice, um, what I always said is then you get universal leftovers. You get what other people don't want, you know. And when you don't choose for yourself or you don't have a voice, what happens is then people start to assume you're thinking this or assume you want this, and then they start deciding for you. And so if you're in a relationship and you don't have a voice, um, oftentimes that thing's going to go south eventually because the person you're with doesn't know who you are in the relationship, what you want, what you need. And so they start assuming and then start acting on that. And of course, then you're probably going to cry foul on what's going on because you haven't really said what you want. And so in life, like I said, we have a choice. We have a choice to decide what it is we want, to come up with solutions. And you know what? In order to change, you're always going to be disgruntled at some point, but you don't need to get lost in it. See, if you're going to be the best version of yourself, that means that where you are, you recognize can improve. And you don't have to get lost in beating on yourself or being critical about that. You just recognize, you know what, it's time for me to change. It's time for me to move forward. It's time for me to change how I'm doing my life. And so, we all get to get up each day and make decisions. We can get stuck in the past and complain about the past and think we're stuck, or we can recognize some of the behavior from the past and learn from it and make new choices and new decisions. And then we move forward, we grow, we change, and our life improves. So here we are, 2021. 2020 was a wonderful year. 2021, is probably going to be filled with a lot of this same stuff, so to speak. But we don't need to get lost in it, is make good choices for ourselves. And I was just thinking today, they say that you're the average of the 5 closest people to you. And I was just thinking, well, 6-foot distance, I don't know that I have that many people close to me anymore. So that doesn't mean I'm nobody. Anyway, that's the thought of today. I'm feeling a little silly. Life is good today. It's the only day you have, and I'm going to make the best of it. I hope you do too. Have a great week, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.